Guys, so today I have my Boxycharm for the month of August, so let's get into it. Okay, so this month the theme is Life of the Party. Okay, the first thing in here is this Adesse New York Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. So let's see what this smells like. It smells like almonds, I'm sold. It does have like an almond scent, but it's very... it's like mixed with a chemical smell. But let's see if this is moisturizing, I guess. So this feels nice so far. Definitely moisturized my cuticles. It's cuticle oil. But I will have to try it more to see if it actually helps, because can't really get that off of a first impression. This retails for $18, so better be good. And the next item in here is from Wander Beauty, and these are their baggage claim gold eye masks. There's 3 here. They look pretty cool. I've never tried these kind of eye masks before, so I will definitely give them a try. And this 3-pack retails for $13. Okay, so next we have the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. Looks like this. Has like a little mirror, and then it's super duper bright shades. So it looks like these 4 are matte. This is like a matte with glitter in it, and then this is a metallic shade. First, I'm just gonna swatch all of them just to see how they perform, because bright neon shades don't usually perform very well, but let's see. First, I'm going to take It's a Party, Damage Control, and Karaoke. And here is It's a Party, which is kind of patchy, not gonna lie. Here is Damage Control. That one swatches better. And then here is Karaoke. It's okay, kind of patchy still. Okay, and next we're gonna take Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. So here is Drinks. That leaves much to be desired. Here is Bottoms Up, and here is Hungover. So the purple swatched pretty good, but it's metallic, so I expected it to. This teal blue, this one swatched better than any of the other mattes. And the glittery pink is just fine, I guess. I don't know. Just from first swatches, I'm not gonna say that I like this very much, but this could perform totally different on the eyes. We will see. So I think I'm gonna try out all of the colors on my eyes just to see how they perform, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, so bear with me.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay, so that's very dramatic, but with bright colors like this, it's probably going to be. But these shadows have a lot of fallout, so I would recommend doing your eyes first, because I have glitter from that pink shade and then purple specks from the purple all over my cheeks, and the neon yellow green has a lot of fallout as well that fell all over my cheeks right here. So yeah, I would do your eyes first if you're gonna use this, but I feel like this would be better as a companion palette for like a neutral palette. We get a lot of those in Boxycharm. So using like one of these colors just on like the lower lash line as a pop of color or something, if you didn't want to go very bold with it, I think that would work out very well, but it's not my favorite formula, I'm gonna say. The orange leaves much to be desired. It's very patchy and very sheer, so that's like my least favorite shade out of that. The purple goes on really nice, but again, there's a ton of fallout from it. And then the glitter from the pink goes all over your face. I like the two blues, those ones blended out really nicely, so those ones are my favorite out of this palette. And this palette retails for $19. And the next thing in the box, thank God, is a pair of lashes. This is from House of Lashes, and these lashes are in the style Temptress. These retail for $9. So let me go put these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so these lashes are very dramatic, but I guess it goes with the look. So next thing in the box is a product from Bang Beauty. This is their gel eyeliner in chocolate. So this is just like a medium brown. This definitely won't go with this look, but let's just watch it to see what it looks like, I guess. Feels very waxy. There's that. It's really waxy, like very waxy, and it's not very pigmented. So I don't feel like this would be a good eyeliner over eyeshadow like at all. I feel like this is more of a natural eyeliner, like when you're not wearing any eyeshadow, that would probably look good. But let's see what it says on this card. It says you can use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. And this retails for $22. That's a little steep. And yeah, I guess this would be better as like an eyebrow cream, or again as a base. It's just not pigmented enough to be used as an eyeliner in my opinion. At least not with an eyeshadow look. I feel like just by itself maybe. Okay, and the last product is this Smashbox Be Legendary Triple Tone Lipstick. This is in Berry Ombre. So again, obviously this is one of those lipsticks with the 3 colors. So I'm interested to try this. This looks very, very interesting. Okay, so here's the lip. This isn't really something I would wear, honestly, but it did give a nice ombre. I don't really like that you have to like turn it upside down. It's kind of annoying, but it works. And obviously you can see it's darker around here, and then just like a bright purple in the center. It's just just not really my style of lipstick. This color is just really kind of out there for me. So is the eye look, so I guess it all matches. I look really overdone, honestly. But aside from the crazy face, this lipstick retails for $24, so they have like a bunch of different colors. I know there's like a red and a nude, but if you're looking for a nice easy way to do an ombre lip, I don't feel like it's really hard to do an ombre lip, honestly. But if you just wanted to put it all in one product, these work pretty well. Didn't really have to blend it, just blot your lips together and it's just perfectly blended for you. So let's go through all the products really quick and I will tell you what I think. Okay, so first, the Adesse Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I like the scent of this. It's a little chemically smelling, but it feels moisturizing. Again, I'll have to try it out more before I decide whether I like it or not. The Wander Beauty eye masks. I've heard a lot of good things about these and I'm excited to try them. I don't feel like these are really anything that really change anything about your skin, but they're just a nice moisturizing thing to put on your under eyes before doing your makeup, I think. So the palette, it's not my favorite. It's okay, but the eyeshadow is just, it's not a great formula. This is the worst orange eyeshadow ever, but it's just not my favorite. I would rather reach for like Juvia's Place eyeshadows. Those are really good formula and they have bright colors like this. So I think you might like this if you don't already own any bright colors and you wanted to try some out. This is okay for that, but I'm just not gonna be reaching for it above my Juvia's Place palettes. The lashes, they are very dramatic and very intense, but they have a nice thin band, and I feel like if you're doing a more dramatic look, you need some dramatic lashes to go with them. So these aren't bad and they're pretty inexpensive. As for the eyeliner, it's not my favorite. It's very waxy and it's just not very pigmented for an eyeliner. I feel like this might work great as a brow product, but as an eyeliner, it's just not very good. And finally, the lipstick. I think this works really well. It's just the color's not really for me. So maybe in a different color I would like this, but this color is just too much. Okay guys, so that's all of the products in this month's Boxycharm. The total this month for the value is $105, which I feel like is on the low end for Boxycharm. Usually the boxes retail for at least $130. But we did get 6 products this month. I'm just not really excited about anything, honestly. I like the lashes, but I don't really wear lashes that often. And the cuticle oil I will definitely be trying out more. And then the eye masks are okay, but the rest of it's just kind of meh for me. So let me know how you're feeling about the box this month, if you like the eyeshadow palette or not, and if you've tried the Bang Beauty eyeliner as a brow product maybe. Let me know how that worked out, and I will see you in my next video.